Look at Toasty Kitty. Where's Jake? What is... Are we getting a package?
Ooh, free water.
Well, that's weird. What is he doing?
I will.
Oh.
This is
Well, you know, it is nice to save for your drivers. Bud, you got some... Hey, no. Hard no. Hard no. What are you doing? Yeah,
have a good day.
What's that?
You know what would be really nice? If we ever redo this shop, to maybe have it in like one more car.
I mean, that would be nice, but
I know.
there's no room for cars in this shop because it's full of, well,
packouts. Not, and I don't mean one more car like to go in it. I meant like a one more car garage. Okay.
Like an extra stall.
All right. Well, you know, you don't want people stealing your stuff, right?
I mean,
you saw that guy, that porch pirate? Whew, that guy, I don't know. He has nice hair, though. It's really luscious beard. Okay. All right, this is the video I promised you guys about. Integral Truck, we've worked with them for a while. He's got some really cool stuff. This is an F150 bed mount for your PACKOUT. Okay. This goes in this, well, if you've seen the little cubby in the F150s that looks like this, and it a lot of times has tow hooks, right? So this is sort of this little universal setup that he's got going on. Comes with all the hardware. We've got a couple of these kits. This whole video is about this giveaway, right? You're going to follow a link description. You could go ahead and cheat and not watch the video, okay? But you have the ability to have like a, please enter the code that I say, right? On that form. Is that, am I asking?
I can add the code word.
You're going to add the code? Okay, so we're going to have a code word at the end of this video, and I haven't made it up yet, so I'm going to think about it. So, if you didn't see the funny little intro, or at least I thought it was funny, he's got a bunch of different brackets. He's got locking brackets, non-locking. I put one on the front porch, and I didn't even screw it down. I just used the VHB, very high bond, whatever, 3M tape to tile. And in a minute, we're going to go out there with a pry bar, and we're going to see if we can get it off the front porch. Not going to tell you why we're taking it off the front porch, but we're going to see how strong it is even with just double-sided tape. So these are F-150 brackets. We have two. They're both up for available. And what I'm going to go ahead and do, boop. See, you can see right here. Here's a couple. This is, you know, in the bed of an F-150. I'm hoping I'm pointing in the right spot. Okay. And it allows you on this one to do half, but he's got a bunch of different brackets available. But these two that you're going to win, basically two winners. You're going to get one of these bed PACKOUT brackets and one of these clamp kits. He's got a bunch of these different accessories. I don't know exactly what they do. If you look here, it's got this little grid pattern that locks into here and screws so you can bolt accessories to that. He includes a torque spit and new hardware, powder coated finish, right? Super nice. So make sure, do us a favor, if you guys aren't trying to win it and you just want to buy it, link in the description, go check out Integral Truck. He's got some awesome stuff. Directions, okay?
Those are important.
Yes, two of you can win this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to the front porch. I'm going to show you the other one. We're going to see how strong it is, and then we'll be right back.
We ready? Mm-hmm. I'm ready.
I am ready because I grabbed the right pry bar, but we're on the front porch. And first, let's do this. Let's do the nursery rhyme. Roses are red, violets are, well, that says whackage. Please have a drink and a snack, and thanks for delivering my package. We get lots of packages. We do lots of stuff. You know, we ship, if you guys didn't know that, you know, orders and other stuff. And so we get lots of deliveries, and we like to hook
Take care of our delivery drivers.
Right? We get ice blocks, ice, water. We're a little bit out of Gatorade, but we've had this here for 8 months now. And we're going to change things up a little bit. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to just pull on this. Okay? I wanted them to see that this is mounted. Good Lord. And it is not mounted with any screws. It's only the VHB tape. So now I'm going to try, minus my crazy hair, I might need two. Okay, so there you go. I can rip the tape loose with a pry bar. So, if any of the UPS drivers or FedEx drivers bring a Milwaukee pry bar, they're going to be able to get this out. Now, honestly, I could have screwed this in, but we rent the place, and I didn't think that was a great idea. I didn't think that was a great renter thing, even though they absolutely haven't done any property maintenance since we've been here. So let's go ahead and let's go back into the shop. So, right, I think it's reasonable to say that if you don't have a pry bar, but if you just grab the handles of that PACKOUT and you just start pulling, it's not going anywhere. And obviously, if somebody's mounting that in the bed of their truck, it's going to be bolted in place. And if somebody was actually locking that on their front porch, they didn't mind having it on the front porch, they probably drill 4 holes. And then it's not going anywhere. I mean, you're going to destroy the tile.
You wouldn't even be able to take it anywhere with the tape without like, you would have to draw attention to yourself. You can't just easily take off with that either.
Yeah. So I would say that's pretty cool. It's definitely going to stop some porch pirates. Not going to stop them all, but those people will just throw a brick through your window and they're in your house. So, not going to waste your guys' time too much more. It's a giveaway, right? Integral Truck has been with us for a really long time, doing a lot of great products, so we wanted to give them a shout out. And we need to make room in the shop, as you can see.
I mean, what are we going to do now that those boxes aren't sitting right there?
I know. I'm just going to... Hey, Integral, do you have like a banner? That way we can put you...
Just put you up in the back with JakeOfALL, because, I mean, that's kind of... You know,
it's been there for a while now.
I mean, and before that was in the house behind you on the other workbench. So.
The integral boxes have been there. It has been integral to our videos. So, you know, appreciate you guys all for stopping in. And you probably want the code word, don't you? Okay. What do you guys think the code word should be?
I don't think you should say it. I think you should put it up right here.
Okay. So the code word
is right here.
You need to, on the form, in the link in the description, when you put your address and all that, you have to put that code word. It's just going to put it up there. It's going to be up there. Code word. Code word. Jake, you're going to say that's a code word. Boop. And the rest of you, I would love to know, if you don't have an F-150, I guess you could go ahead and get it anyways and make it work. So I don't really care, but, you know, head over to Thing. But I'd love for you to comment below what make and model truck you have. And have you ever had a PACKOUT or any tools stolen out of your truck? Just love to know your experience. It's nice to know that we've got people out there that are trying to take the quick thieves and stop them, and it's definitely working for that, I think. And I'd like to know your experience. And other than that, I will see you on the next one. You know, do all that good fun stuff. Subscribe, share, like, and we'll see you next time.